Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect churros every time. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 large egg. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that delicious churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix vigorously until a ball of dough forms, then beat in 1 large egg until the dough is smooth. It's time for the magic to happen frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to remove them and let any excess oil drain off. Almost there. For that classic churro finish, combine 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a shallow dish. While the churros are still warm, roll them generously in this sweet mixture. Serve your freshly made churros immediately to enjoy their crispy exterior and soft interior. A warm chocolate dipping sauce makes them even more irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.